Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to Gadget. So in this video we're going to give you some speculation on how the Google Pixel 3 will look like. As the tradition goes, Google is anticipated to launch its next Pixel flagship in October alongside the commercial rollout of Android P. A recent AOSP code commit let out that Google is indeed naming its next flagship as Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. Now, a placeholder image detailing features in the Android P developer beta gives us a possible clues of what the next Google flagship may look like. Looking at the placeholder, it seems that Google is going the no-bezel way as well. The sketch shows a phone that has no bezel whatsoever, not even the display notch at the top or a thin chain at the bottom. Ever since the iPhone X, various Android smartphone manufacturers have taken inspiration from Apple to introduce their own flagships with a similar notch display. Vivo is expected to launch the iPad smartphone on June 12th, and it will have no bezels whatsoever. The smartphone also comes with a pop-up front camera for selfies. Lenovo is also teasing a new smartphone called Lenovo Z5, slated to launch on June 14. And teasers claims that the device won't have any chain whatsoever. If this placeholder holds any weight, then Google is going the same way. How it manages to house the selfie camera, earpiece, and sensors including the ambient light and proximity sensor will be interesting to see. We obviously suggest that you take this leak with a large pinch of salt, as this placeholder could just be for representational purposes only. And the Pixel 3 could sport a completely different design, including a notch. But what do you think? Do you like it with a notch or not? Give us your thought in the comment section below. And give us a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more info and update. Thank you for watching and see you next time.